In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom form before checkout for a product in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clear, simple way to collect extra information from customers right before they complete their purchase, so you can fulfill orders more accurately and streamline communication. First, open your Squarespace site editor. From the main dashboard, head to the lower left corner and open Settings. This is where most of your store-wide configuration lives, including checkout options, so it's the right place to manage the form we want customers to see before paying. Inside Settings, go to Selling. This section controls the commerce features of your site, products, payments, and everything shoppers experience when they buy from you. Next, choose Checkout. The checkout area is where you can control what customers are asked to provide and how the final steps of the purchase flow behave. Within Checkout, look for the Additional Fields area. This is where Squarespace lets you add custom questions that appear during the checkout process. Open it up and you'll see the option to turn on a custom form. Enable the custom checkout form. This switch activates your form and makes it available during checkout. Once it's on, give your form a clear, descriptive name. Think of something that tells customers why you're asking for this information. For example, details you need to personalize an item or prepare a service, so they feel confident about what they're filling out. Now add a form field. When you do, you can choose field types like email, name, or address. Pick the type that best matches the information you truly need. Email is helpful if you need a specific contact address for delivery details or digital files. Name is useful for personalization, like engraving or custom notes. Address can support shipping-related requests such as delivery instructions. Use only what's essential to keep checkout smooth and friendly. Then add a note to the form. This short message appears alongside your fields and sets expectations. Use it to explain why the information is needed, how it will be used, and any formatting tips like please include exact spelling for personalization. Clear guidance reduces mistakes and support requests. Finally, click Save. Your custom checkout form is now active, and customers will see it during the purchase flow. Keep your questions concise. Collect only what you need and avoid asking for sensitive information you don't plan to store securely. With that, your Squarespace store will gather the right details at the right moment, helping you deliver a better, more tailored customer experience.